was for a higher juicy news. Mima Obibia Aquaba had the latest hot era with the Bravo. And we did so we subscribe to channel area, but more say over subscribe. Double yard say over click a year the subscribe button. Now what barely notification. We had a video for Frobia be uploaded. When the first person I once saw a year saw video. Afi we are now like video no give us a thumbs up. Na fi share my wo for so na when you be here now who and someone ekoso e wo Ghana me mo hano. Afi ye hwɛ ye someone ababeto yapono so iti eye sabkubo ya ekoso mama iti sanse.
These two and I catch us am ran tell say me nyam na me yeso so enti omunya matem didie no and say or kasa sa no kɔ ne yesi next year
that obi nso anko be use this opportunity
at the approach
because don't forget say only queen they be our access to media.
Yes,
so you can have a turnaround
and you won ya oh me Kojo mumra there be ambo machi dia na man ye o mumra ye wo de betu dia ko office me abon komo minute or two o hu ye no wa mi ni ye
Kojo so dia ba
me almost say
and the molest and Kojo dia no free amon family so me dia mra
okay
or say Kwajo, how many cars have you seized so far? The people are still driving their stolen cars. So,
ya jibi, ya baji do drona. What you must say? Ya baji do drona. And information now with the aba. Zani ane better no.
Information.
Ya unya ba bibi wa. Me uka chere me pe so simple. Before we yan chance again yan me person na me kwakwaje. E dia ba pu ni.
Kwajo honorable mo me answer ya be kwa topics on ade bi ya me ya. Mo be kai say me koye investigations be ama ebetu just say ECG wamo cables wamo copper wires wamo electric poles any other electricity related materials say yesi ayira no mikohu puduo yaka bibi ye pudua ete se wakonye ska maku
yeah
mira na no kura bra me bre ho ansana me nchia ayi General Misho or offshore Charlie, which Iraq before that. Bra me pray and son the national security for. First national security for buyer, besides no crime national security for me. And I think being a proper national security for thanks to Corporal Hakim, honestly say Lydia or more chin man. Young choir crass, me have my name can. Ye close to by 40 articulators.
Wow.
Trailers. Yes, I'm telling I have and my main chair a year NDC in Sawam Adwage constituency executives no. Max of the group. I'm na ebo ho by mama. Enti every day you between be say me wa samai. No mama me you know. And I'm set cameras in terms of enkrofo wo ho say na be obi nwia. Because me trust system no. When me say e be sin there. Post no just go ade amosi ade ayira. I don't get you. Mosi ade ayira. Mo hwe ade. Journalist now risking who ade no. Ade no gusu go. Ade ya cars na be fa no. Wo mu ntua ka.
Nanai, me musa.
What kind of life is that?
Me musa question. Eniema na ko hu ye no. Na ye ho ade a. Ene na gu ho asa.
Owura bi dia, owura bi. Papa no tupi afajan. Ya hwe no. Ya hwe no ba sa papa no fa no homa because me mate say enkrofo fa chira ko hu no akwajiska. Hey papa, me na me investigations so forget about it. The issue can die with them, but I still, hold. Yeah. Now many national security ni penny be me person me boni din. Say kronunti no mo person mo share that sama obi e be sesa ne ma no. Ana me catch the guy no say he should put me on the phone. If national security penny na me investigative way my adwuma wi so it ends. So I should go, I should allow national security to take over. I'm saying never. My job does not end. Enkusi say my who say and nema na who akogu ba bi egu government has taken custody. Or see me mean to commanding national security na me say me na me tua mo ka kan command. Oh phone so. Asa yenya kwala okrom ha. Obi antimi mpopo na ntro obi okrom ha.
Asem dudu.
Kwajo anema ne gusu go. Anema ne enti sie ko wia. Mo ba bebi same na hwan. Ama yesa make sure say other place papa no SND because here masai discover me yasa ko hu niam ni bi. And sa bando no ba ko
kwese no enya de ketua wo. Enya de ketua.
Nebo yen fa coils enko kra no ye dey about close to 500
kwese ne ko
yen wie ye
aluminium type on ana copper
Me de me name.
High tension or white one.
And no be ana black one so
black ones.
Underground cable no.
There be black ones. And no idea connections.
I'll misinform people because me name.
Yeah, matase.
But the minimum say akese.
Okay.
But yes first no. Ba ku bi o yes first na omton say 100,000. Ba ku pe o. One.
Yeah.
And I see there's a buffer because price na be break ho saare.
Me enko fa ne famra so say ye enko fa.
Me am tibi ko gina ho me ye park ne ma gu trailer. Ama be na obianso yana dwen say obi be fa because me ni ba bi gu. Ana me ma take custody of ne ma ni nyina me catch them on national security.
Oh, the Ghana. Eh asemu.
Because kwajo ye ma jo Mahamadu fail you.
Da bi.
Bi o na dwen say o me ma jo Mahamadu we will start.
Na unim say we want to be frame me the same thing like they are working. Because so say was West Ogun. Obi panimu bi a also your political figures be former party NPP ni. When the war wato tentente eti abrante bi anu no ka chem say before the transformers be brain cable so be go. Before ni nyina go. Na war no gina bonte a wu hu.
From the any
Ma force akwani mu a mo ya we say mum yenko. Nation mum yenko. I hono mo no yese niam ni gu hono. You are brand no ye security on my palm no. Obi and for near go up to now. Obi are
serious. I don't know what Shabon.
I want me come I was me actual place.
Oh yeah, right.
Me person about actual place in the no. I know about.
Minya intel bi won. Honorable Minya intel bi. Now this intel who said time no kofa. Who say it say about 14 containers bi yirai. Ama yehu 12 eka 2. Ana minya intel bi say sada na yirai. Yeah, the 2 containers be akogu enwuna bi baby. When him say me kasa, yes say last week or 2 na guy in the frame so my best sako. One way when you be 100 cities. Yes Lebanese for be Indians for be for the befa and in the dead of the night.
Wow.
Na be near information now you know act on it.
I didn't even was
we used to the same. Okay. My any commercial same free honorable Ash. Three issues. Anna, yes, of course. Some fee has been pardoned. Me, of course. And one another mentioning. Because me, who you Anna number 2. Branch executives, no, we say not brand or mobre. Meanwhile, no, it can some say any. Me no can say. Me, I'm not saying such change now. Kuyen for free. But you see, Obi and I just say, Ober 20 out. And Obi and I just say, Ober 12 out. Fio! Mia onu se obeto or 20 hour. Stand up by power. Go
adwuma.
Enti ade na wo ba power. Na wo de egugu ho mo nya adwuma. No mo de se adwuma.
Thank you.
It doesn't make sense to me.
Yeah.
Man cha grassroots for nyina.
Oh ye cha mo nyina. Na mo kan sempa family ho so medam ase. Sa na obi so beka ene yesu beka sempa afam. We want to build the nation. Ghana is a building. And I ask for God's guidance. My appointees Nina Sami Jemfidia a by a test case. First of all, Danyamias is a semi a between crano. As I say, beyond Danny Husu as appointees. Mundam Husupa. And I'm Moshe Yankaze Mamuma. Nipa unim nuskao ena sika cheno susu de sami menjai koswa na che ucha kodru hiani bia onu nimpa ebokra be dro abrabum
sami enchewe yasi bia
David and kukum inside room dark room office
ni we dem kra ko nya kakra
onya say
nipa nyu
Messi
mami musa question
yes
obia na be hu sami jamfi on office wo Some people quite year or Kenya.
Yes.
Name more example. Odu Kroniswa. And Kofono Munim Sami Jamfia, Yashana near Niagino. Sami who more will be a cacra on Famano. Constitution in Sabi Bia or
be dear.
Yancy needing to be ma old board. What you
and no more than criticize.
Mrs. will be pa dear. Well, men confess a car we ready to market. And check.
Matthias. Honorable Rose. Yes. Will be a utie pa.
Yeah.
A year and yasu too. One of the women organizers.
Okay.
Aluti. She says no my MC.
Oh yeah.
And Rose only on plan for. And Yakusia Chamunina.
Yeah, okay. men kofa o yire market money de enkochiche no de menye and our koda so em say na koda first one beba nti eya hosusu sisi hoto ho ba ne ka no nyankopɔ de no de chefa say na ye bompai pa na ye mpai bo abamu say ma his excellency empamu and now suspend you and a chief of staff so ya bompai ye mpai bo abam nti say the NPP for na be face ye na be face one of mu chro letter say ye mpamu we are going to face them but ye mami agrada almost a prophetess one ye mami agrada who we ni be koso guasi because if you are a leader of a church and usresika nipa no kan sika no ma osofo pa o watwe sika aka no efre nipa no nsem watwe sika no enti mu amukọ na asọre no ka min kwan de munja asọre no kọ muntumi mfa ne so nkọ nyankopọ nchen because adwua won ni trim wo ho ne say mu kakra won botom kra no obeji oji susu pen otumi kakra mu say fa 20 cedis ba na mi bompa eguso ama na adani 40 wa jisika no adi mu akopie o court hifa na asọre wo oni bebia na asọre wo de na nipa da su kọ sa asọre oh it is so surprising yes it is so surprising and until na muse nipa hu ye hu papa so be sa akwa asọre a mami we be gina we nim say okobọ mpa ya ma ye manu sika no atwe ne aka but then it is a good news as we heard yesterday say ya tunufu amana amama jano it could happen to anybody all the appointees and that is what we are praying say it shouldn't happen again because Abanya was his excellency's government second coming or the positions be Brahma youth until some have life experience some are now starting to have that life experience and nothing I ever mama say be very 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 careful and now call baby so ube mo bisika bombodi na pe NDC for omo area ho NDC for branch chairman ukwa branch chairman ho ana constituency chairman ho hu o ma okay mu de mu ntwe me hu chairman na be hu even though chairman say dun ke ka say sikanya kan person no o start edit and just a parties you can't account for it but let us be fair to each other and work hard for the development of this nation. What I wish and he said all of you the appointees should be successful and a year we so ye de nyama so no ye be kasa e di aboamo because in 2028 what we are sending for election is not Bawumia's videos. It's not NAPO's videos.
That's right.
We want to send governors, good governors. That should be our chip for getting votes. Say, Ghana ni biya juma oyen. Ne juma tumpon. Onwankasa fili say, me wa Ghana kra eye chense me kwa bruchere. That is what we are looking for. And that is paramount. Ghana ni awutiemi. If you are very, very critical of our brothers and sisters, most of them who have traveled abroad, say abrochire nye de. Most of them, ombeye juma sa, unya uba, owa wari oho, muye juma akodanu kura obeji salary ni jina. Into at the end of the day, ni esise oyani se ube shipping kakra, and that is what the trend that is happening. But ufye Ghana obi bombodi ebo brawo Ghana pa nyankupa buano a ubeba na nipa no kra no osi abrosa no yese. So I think it is time for us to create congenial environment for everybody. Much as Ebeka say, say NPP ni ewe jumemu a ni enja mmeka say yempam no ni say he doesn't share the vision of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I don't hate him, but say one yinu and free wa Your Excellency, we vision no embem because omuno musi omuye property owning democracy. By then we are liberal, we are helping everybody. So you see that the visions are not the same. So you have to sack them.
Social Democrat.
Social Democrat. Me see, you have to sack them. One no more honey na and then me who baby omudio penny bidi picture their base or da su ye juma oman penny mumpa mo munyina. We don't hate them because ye pese aban papa abano. Ondimbwa Ghana ni bia say at the end of the day no say who turn tosa unya hu faso. Se who train car and a tro driver, unya hu faso. Se who ton petrol, unya hu faso. Se who be a banga, unya hu faso. So that the banks could be able to work. Yenu yemba mbesizi man for license. We should bring down. Open you within crama mami bo. Otudako. You see, Adiba kwa eku Ghana ni say. Keno Foreta be Minister for Finance no. Now first and son will be a bank no. 100 million Ghana cedis. Yeah. Me wa parliament NPP for winning 169 by 109 wa parliament no. And no man increasing from 100 million to 400 million Ghana cedis. And that is what has caused so many banks to be closed. Niemesre parliament as you open on the 27th of this month ni say that mra ya to honu yen sam bonungu krana say uwo 50 million kro betumi bie bank that one too is job na bie bank because maka opinion to dako maka ka Ghana for farmers manyasem say in the year 2015 mini kenoforiata 2015 one eta kunya enye mahama mini kenoforiata ba meeting bi e wo cantonment ha in the VIP room, yeah, didn't combine in the year. Or catch me as at that time, say banks doors were Ghana.
Sana Kenofureta catcher.
Yes, myself, me doing the Daniel Kwisa Shama. Yes. So says Kenofureta Babe Closey Banga. But say agenda no never order.
That's a bank's doors. Whether not when good.
I want go Nagasani there. So that amount to qualify to open bank should be moved back to 100 million. Okay. And I want to masses your licenses no. Because that is the only way we can create jobs.
So, but John, I promise you, sir.
Even though a former, to me, those are the first actions. I mean, person will say, one more license, I season, share open ya gungo, said when yes, sir. And the bank, Heritage Bank, on the car, Kenofureta Trimodini and Ado. How much is the license? No be seen there. The profiter.
Because of what same court.
Yes.
What be that?
What is that? So that is what I would like these new appointees and we the supporters and supporter ban say. Let us create congenial environment for all businesses. NPP for let us give them good governance. Na omu fili wo ma jumem. Yes, let us give them good governance. Now who say adio mo ayeye no anomaye Ghana for no enye it is so wicked. People lost money, people lost their lives. You see, people lost businesses. Why should it be so? So we need to work on that. And so the appointees muye juma, the ministers, the agri, the education, the roads, the neophytic galanseno ama kofibwa omunyina trade, and everybody is working. We are going to support you, but Sami Demfide, the mechanic Uncle Swano Chescan, Sebi Ohwa, or Sekano or Cheddar. I'm a member of the National Communication Team. During campaign, say share. Yes. Or share Sema Kakra and San and their bedroom. Into Uncle Swano Chescano, NPP phone to me, Yeshi. Those who went and send the case to court and added their petition what's right. So Marco ye papers now.
Kritika NPP for chair in their last internal elections. Openly. I saw the Democrat Papa Bako a second chance. Papa. Yeah, sister Sika Koche so for I saw them say, ye kita no say, Chama won't Bawumia Mujina. But nobody talks about that. I just don't want NPP to lead us in our governance. Yenka Sankasanu Yen call it a shot. They cannot do that. They should not do that. And nobody should be afraid of the NPP for let us govern this country for them to feel. They themselves have started feeling
on say obi to me ka say o say na mahama bebu o man no there or sama NDC be say 15 years. That is what is happening. And now man penny na Bediatuo the speaker omo afri krom ha kra obi ahu e kire say bibia that day, and that is what we want, and that is what we continue to pray for. I'll pause here so that my brother too will have a bite.
Exactly. Exactly. So of course o peke sameje mfide menim se hona o pese ye wie ne preko
me wie hona
anti ye sameje na yemra Hassan Ben
Chief Justice say no there obeko
ye ne okoda
say no mo pin the case ni af
formality
and the molest bright mary dot tibu enochro tama former MP ma buem ono atene kwa no menua Kojo Yaboa so Kojo
na to da komedase in fact when you say I'm a big brother.
Yes. Yes. Incoming more
holidays
because when you post grassroots to the
oh yes
it's post in the that's what I'm saying.
Thank you.
That's what I'm saying.
That's 57% no omu de wie na 38 for the wumpo a normal.
Oh yeah.
Majority of Ghana for the wie 57 for the 38 for you normal.
Yes.
When the mefa kwenye so ansa na ba aisame ho no me de na me crusade bi ameye same unse se Zoom Lion issue unse se amna koda na me busa se Zoom Lion unse se wo nipa dodo bi o mo prepra enkran krom same de to me ho so because unse ya was so gone first if you mampani ko for time mo ba besi o mampani awotesui any prof time no utwe mo be the blue for no so mo gu mo pra ball as no area nyina e say ubetimi tumi sorry bia 4:30 constituency no be hu bia nipa be 2-3 no mo na mo aye waso obi ani ho ma fa Medina ma ye Medina de ma ye Dante constituency Greater Accra ma check majority of the constituency wo hwe number na mo se eden wo mo ye de ama na ye tua ho kana ye de ne kana na otu da ko me pese Zoom Lion mra no ma kire se workers no mo he
Zoom Lion can say SM share
say he fa no mo because you can't say
the story
minua Malik so anyway on renew no and no na ka ho and I buy the mechanic ya ba mi adwuma me se mentima catch say for some times do Zoom Lion ne workers ne wo he sabana ma workers nipa dodo a fa omo ne tu omo ka what ma say say nipa ne wo he na no to da ko to fa bi to ho so na fa wo so e bo 435 fa wo area wo mu hu Zoom Lion ni ba ko kra but Zoom Lion se de ne ka Ghana fo ni bi hye na chi me pese on kire ye ba bi kra de ne ka no it is say media no adwuma me fa consultant ba consultant ba 3 o'clock ma sorry me call rounds a check say me hu ma na no mo pra kwa na wo to da ko bi bia say ni wo Zoom Lion ba bi obi a me chia no ni project ni fa ye nya ni mu o mema onyan prasa niema kokoda we media no eso oni mu nyina akasa mo atem din dabi majority issue na make majority but the make catch Zoom Lion say ye de ye no bi no de nya no because and we no timi say number ne de o mo age sika ni nyina akọ ba nipa ni ho a ghost name
okay
and what the adwuma me person onya words a enchechre mu beba me da say me komanim
research be wura ho
woni misame mi ami nua kuma same jamfi the issue ba no mitie mpa na mesre na oni mba bia me bu fu kakra
na Ghana fo
mi ami nua ndisi fo no nya atwumfo wom do
ene metwa bo mo
ndisi fo ebinim nya correct
me twa bo bi mo nso
asem aba
omo na yi omo
asem ba fia asem nya to NPP for ni bi defender bi no so amu e no mo lead on akwa na fuse band dey
why no
nya yi NPP national organizer
okay
what man say e free any shape what man say no can this for ni dinachi sami jamfia brantie emra wo babedru Greater Accra was 30 and this adwuma no han because no okumase ade no na ho de ni nura satam KMA e ho no e na adwuma ni ade emra wo dru kro mu abrantie ya bo adwuma che say ano odin what man say na de o man ye den say sami NDC ona bo na tie NDC communication team no yes sami jamfi na first person no na communicators for many penifobia no more platforms so me say NDC for me nya atwo papa mo NDC platform be brave so communication team no one am committee mra ye to abama no am committee on committee abrekura wa mo pedi on da every day bia nya kra na ye obi afa 500 cedis en crofo di ka be di position we ni mo atwamu a omo antonsu opo na mo atonsa da abrantie timi di opposition ejira opposition mu ehina kole otimi stressed saa ni sika kakra ho no saa na odi ahwemu an ya ba power ye ba pa wonye pe o wonye ahwe na brantie nya case a na panimfo panimu timi frame yo phone so Kojo abrantie do obegi party na boss ntimu call radio no munya de mu na chi na pa o man panin I'm telling you
me kra menya cause bebre
and panimfo ni bi na me hu say panimfo bebre ya da ni nyansa sa
menya cause bebre
abrantie adwuma obaye abrantie hihya wo hihye ba bi abrantie yi koi na me say NPP 4 was Samia Oku who tie me NPP 4 was Samia Oku be tenor and can this ntimi ntu omo wo hwe this NPP 4 ni youth ni omo nyina ni panimfo no e ma NDC 4 ni bi o hwe bi NDC 4 Samia Oku ni office na wa bele nkwe ho no e bonyumre be 11 ho kwa na kwa be ka ho hospital
Samia Oku
ni fie ni ade ho ne fully e ho no bia agi ni we wo hwe party 4 ni ene nyankopon da room na NDC 4 so nya Sami Jamfi Sami I'm telling you abrante we ababe kura NDC mu ama NDC chese obia ho to no sabrante we ko program sasempa no ko yo say no ko yo before be pon no na the party for no bebre gina form o twe no and watch it chene kakran wanya kranya 1000 2000
onya 500 cross
abrante we chene hu niam nyina no wako
anya no we adwuma gu ni boto
so abrante ayire no wa ye adwuma we sa na me de ya man krofo bebre position position dem on ye dem on na yire or reset Ghana ni wo ye adwuma on ho but apart from the yire en na busua no on mo bia 1 CD
odoye
wotima wo ko no office o hwe wonim to wonim se won po ba be ha no nipa be 2 3 4 5 bi en NDC ba ye ntia obi aka de ba wo mo agira mo na so uduru ni office a enya kra me se gold board wa Sami Jamfi wo yi wo ko abo se nipa ho bebre obi ahwehwe Sami o mo hwe no aiden Sami hyenanim no yama nkrofo adi abrante ya yire ne ho aboa mo party fo nyina mo nipa nie na de mo ye na mo nua we anya asem sa asem we yasem wai wano ani sika woni botom obi azika nyina ne kakra won na de empo ya empo ese ni hwi mpo no enya $800,000 ye nyina obi awo bi wotuma se ena nya de awo obi so ntimi nyi bi nche wotuma se emra bia so ni wo ekire ne se we na mo ni abre na mo di abrante mo ye se de mo ye NDC ankasa no 99.9% are stingy woko headquarters no anko to Sami Jamfi before election ni ade forget it no petrol wo headquarters make be wo ya esmekan pepepe from A to Z
intimidate to say
o ta na make no majority wo the
majority me pe no
majority thank you mun samu ti se nkuta gene din munyi we bia just Sami sa di for opposition abedu power am ya bande na se ne sasemu abanko no na mo be ta na kina mo ya mo kotoku sa abobe na makogina ba bi na mo twa branti na sa na wiase etena bi
ya so di sua nyansa
nyansa do sia no di sua nyansa no na kombede me nkrofo yi because e kombede o mo NDC for mu ye pepe dada wutimi ni NDC for I remember those days before me opposition ye call rounds the whole Ghana ye know mo radio ye call round ye do eastern region edru anwumra ye call tena ba bi ministers wo CEOs wo mu ye call tena ye wie campaign ye dampa ne dozo obi tonsu ana ansampa mu anu bi po ne ya
ato ne obetua
chese obi ato di te say e ho cemetery sometimes no your power wo emu ne to aba de lose na timi ne makati timi na ka na sampa ni fo we de ho abebon mu yi e pepe no mu ya na ase de ye no ye ni hwe no ye ne organize ne yema na obi adibi obi anom bi na nne mo asa akohye mu kina si enche ne yema obo ti se ne nipa wu nipa wu de make a chemi nua samene se wotie sa ne yema wei mo mo appointee so mo ka mo tie sa ne yema wei dia majority bewu bebre and the position na ye cheche no se cheche ayi even 20 million a position kra bebre nya bi
enti wo na kakra na be nya no
Kojo ye bo ade na wo be nya no onobu ashama ade na be nya no
no de koya
ekofa semo be onobu tu ni ka se si ayi a e bi e be pompo nipa wa bonte wo mo twa no onobu tu ni ka na odu ba bi a popake ya na nipa ba ne nchai enso yin kakra de ma obi a me se 100 200 ade ma obi no me se ko me kura ase bro have Kenya ase your village one bojampa e hono that area no wo ma obi 200 Ghana cedi this will ba market on Sunday no wetima sesa
200
and to the man na chese waku no what ma say to obi pesa de no eto na abonnam na so timi chiche no a wo dia wunya ye no no ni obi an betima ba gold board ni obi an betima ba MP ni obi an betima ko boss so at the end of the day no ti anya ni asi o yesi emran say na tiedi Sami akọ chebi nto obi an chebi dia nipa bewu timi semi nua NDC fo no ne ya omu assemble fi omu nyanto bo ase no omu nyanto bo abranta nya boni bia won koso na de oye no won koso anu onye omie ni nsam ema party fo no ho ntom bi o party na otu da ko 20 years plus o we your bonus ye wi do be di ade no odi ade a na onu ko 8 years another person will come 8 years so the ko count 20 after the never collection the way you nya selection ye be keke
but Kwaku sometimes also in as much as your dosame your do omo aka ne ade no aya empanyifo no bi so hwe baby omo chom sika no as in not the venue but the recipient of the money.
Thank you.
What did they say Agrada? Look at the war Agrada waged against NDC, you know, in the opposition. So, Sabi, with all due respect, if there's some $800, see the memo will be a. Should it be Agrada?
No.
I know the grassroots for being so agile, I think.
Me that was say. I mean, for example, we, sir, your friends, was Sophie, Osubempa.
Yes.
At the end, one come for President Mahamadu. Wo yene ho adwuma nkasa adwuma boni nyina oyefa ne ho ba metwa ka chabe collection no on timi nkasa NDC fo amfa kire ya mane nsu ana ya mane nsa wotima se agrada ade ye kokodi ni ho me ba kokwa me ba agrada ade anya kokwa no ke agrada ade ko ye metwa ka chabe if there's a election tomorrow nesa agrada na sorry mane nyina o nyina ba fie ya yi za na mo nyina akotwa ba fie enti party fo ni nyanto bo ase kakra Sammy baby, zipo this kind of man, I'm sure bear we are. What do I say? And to the mother, and no munya home to was but to a cocoa chamber. Now will be, would do baby will be say what dear. Sometimes I know a ding. Who shany pan was say what dear. But I owe she, me man baby, and yes, she know you are the man. Would you only say beer and cow yard papa and Akufo Addo. Minister Sammy the bear this year, dear. But I'm a son, I don't think there's a man on Champion on check and Crawford that should die on I see you are and Clearman for ye. One Chinese man pepper more being a mimic of your was it. Some Minian been few. Remember, Jimmy dear, what am I saying? Juma, you're going in a communicator, Jumano, and when you're baby now. John. Yes, I'm a nip. And say, Bakufonia escape from Yade. What am I saying? That's right. Bakufonia Chrome Yade. And you know, we are kind. See you for baby ho. Baby for her, the chess, Samuel. And so no, almost say no more, more quiet, no more bush upon party near our winning. And this co-opposition or co-opposition 2-3 weeks, not communicators, and so bomb to be. A breath from war and this mupai and these communicators. See our college no woman. Yeah. More borrow. Yes, a credit. What my ya appointment. Who you sure say yeah, Baba Macabra VB. And now who's a Baba appointment. Ya who's a deal bet my yard as a Sammy Jelfibe Shiano. Maybe a 2,000, 3,000 was a J. A dear now episode, you didn't have a Gabby Edu Jibe Shiano was a Yanako way now to me. What man say? No, Babu, no, I Bibi Kakra. Let's assassin Paul to me, their bosses saying. Wakasa miss me, and say, and Timinia, ye, me coming young crop for one panico for buying. There be a mission an example. Or some more year we see a collection. Appointment be no meeting with your mamma, but we make it sure say, so 1 or 2 contractors. No more day. Yakope dank and get over near the area. And the number and no 20 mo amudi ade na nimu no. O make sure me no ka say and na sam rantie no o mani afio. O mampani ko form obi anya 3 bedroom. Oh wow. And o what was say? O mo nyina we example we obi tifia wo tie. Ade o ye ne say muntimi na appointment muntimi mom bibia no betima. Mo kasa abre amade na ba. Enti no contractors yeah mom make go fa a bicycle contractors say mom contract no me dey to omo anim say bia ye ton da obi a come test it. I'm giving an example and you know on tua da be 5 or 10 e kama me okay ni aka bom ni atwe ya ye ni papers ni de ama wodie ni no ocheche ma amrante ni nyina enne amrante ne ho na obi edidi na do e ma ne ne fe na emu mpo ye ne say me ma salon car mama ofie no Sata institution na ho na ade ame ye ne say institution no me de Kojo yebo amene to NPP ona ba sha ma amene to boss eno ono ade letter ma mo sam rante we ma de man every month we make sure so be man 5,000 that's all I'm telling you that's all kufo he o mo mpani kufo nhihye ye enti no wanya fie wanya talunka wo de be call radio station every month we pay by 20 of number and nipa na o ye chief executive says can a peanut etebedu ona ane edu wayede wakoje wade eti nipa na moda bia happy wo so party ni mo adwuma be ye wotima say enti sa ne ma we na ma party fo ni bia de etimi ye de enya ba bi tan enya obi a na be nya appointment enti sa me jamfi ye sa ne ma we ne sa party fo ne transe na o mo sa so ne mu de na me sra mo mama mo microphone we ta da money for we gold board and nato no wo sa mo na mo smoggy gold ko pa Say Kwabi anu na maintain ti no me press conference. We see anu Kwabi na me fa so de akọ. Enti anya na enyi fi ho. Ni enfo obi fu from ra. Ni enya kwai de afa ho. I small green. Nya de asam ye be yin ni ne. Ya man yellow card. Say yellow card actually 2-3 weeks. Na paper we free we call the bed. Okay. It on phantom team say Sami Jemfi there. Darling boy of NDC. Who pay. A whole better compensation NDC 20-25 years. One make opposition, one transfer 50 years. Sami will be better.
Fantastic. Kojo Yeboah, Anna would say Ninkano, NOChere say Kojo Yeboah. Don't mind those hypocrite NDC former appointees. They are so mean and envious. But NDC too should learn to help its members. Yabre, Hassan bin. I want to get this one. Hassan bin. I say the day I will land in Accra, the following day straight to my guy Sami to look for my contract. Dabi na ye one cry no obaba na ye nika Kisley in Kiasen was it Kojo Yeboah, please I want your number. Okay, Lolonya NPP always we themselves whenever they hear the name whenever they hear the name of Sami Jemfi and Felix Kwachi okay, Ismail Abdul Salam and we are Zoom Lion workers. For about 1 year, 4 months, we have not been paid. Hey, is that serious? Is that true?
What I say? And to be on precum, maybe Zoom Lion be on precum. Let me call round. I'm saying yes, I no. Zoom Lion will be on precum.
I say 1 year, 4 months in the interim. Zoom Lion. I think the Zoom Lion case. I me picking up. I me picking it up. Okay, so I'm so sure number. Could you? Antonio Kumosi NLA new boss is quiet. I smell something fishy. Other Indian is NLA. Anyways,
Mrs. and then Grofo boss and must say my dad call be your boss now about then make can say positions all the more will be no fit be no bar oba na nisu brino na nisu brino be am to mo man
and be because one
me share the Grofo send me say
me friend Chris Duga
yes say to me fine
so here mo be and one
yes enti no hono me person call den
okay ma me san call honorable ho na
yeah
honorable CD depreciation and common ho Afenyo Chief Justice in the opening you know and also ho empanyifo senia aboa na pen odin football enti no take back on anko
enia nia hia pass say any CD appreciation
yes
any dollar depreciation
that's right
enu na ehia Ghana for Chief Justice de enu de ebeba wechere enu no oye individual
okay
Kwaku agree say if you educate a man you educate an individual but if you educate a woman you educate
Titokoni ye nation
that be woman here can individual seminar maker me pay individual no ono na sem ye Torkonoo kraso so ye be ma edi a wo Torkonoo enyo
ni kun de Torkonoo
okay araba yeah well ye da nyankopon asese yetumi toaba eyi NPP afri ho because in sema ye kan nyina eye campaign minia campaign ye nyina ye bi na ye ka asem no susu no na NPP for no omunjindi indenu enukre no abedadi na otu enukre no susu bedadi a unim ne ekoso omuse ye Donald Trump so NPP for omuse o Donald Trump say na a tariff for e wo hontinu enunti. But let me tell you as a Ghanaian, we chop CD here, ewo meimu. But mantina ene CD enya hondi ni say. You see, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama promised a lean government. Look, if you are a business person and you are entering a country, you see or look at the behavior of the government of the day. Enu na odi bebo ubra. So he promised a lean government. And he promised 60 ministers. In there, 56 NOD Juma. That alone will tell somebody who want to do business that, no, come on, this man is serious. Because when you compare him to a president who appointed 125 ministers, meaning, why we from now, the amount of money we have spent on these ministers, omu bungalows, omu cars, omu eduane, omu atade, omu akwantu, ni nyina no. This government, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama said, no, I am going to what? Use a lean government to manage the nation. That is very good. Now, Ofri also, you see that Nanado's government was so insatiable in taking loans. Baby loan was assassin. Bond baby hobby na kenuforiata dieni. Now, the former Minister of Information, they did this. Kojo Kyeremanteng, no kasafa hon. Go Japan, no Marco Jibi, no Mukasa, now or educating for Senate. Now, look at from January till today, the way this government behaves in terms of loan. Do you get right? Though we only have a single or one eye now in terms of getting loans in Ghana, i.e. treasury bills. But you realize that a kana na do numa dia to hono, enunti na ye bobusi and do say. Not for this government to use. So you see that if you're an investor, you see that no, this government that we have today don't want to be taking or not or based on taking loans, collecting money from here and there. No? It also sends a signal to the international community. Then also you see that we have a finance minister, your friend Ato Forson. Do you get it right? Now, compare the behavior of Ato Forson on our pest vis-a-vis the behavior of Kenuforiata on our pest.
Now, Honorable, when I see a comparison, I didn't mean to compare.
No, me see compare now.
Now, who compares?
Enye minimum say enye no to America. Me see compare now. Because Kenuforiata,
because you comparison why
me were parliament yo, me were parliament 2017. Ne media who say Kenuforiata mba mebo bra papa bia ni say oba ye no obeka kire first meeting of parliament ni say there is no physical space. Now finance person is talking about that no e kire say kwan bebre ni obenya sika dodoɔ e de aye djuma and no start capping the gate fund, cap the road fund, cap the national health. Me say akwa ebe kunye at the end of the day ebe wu ampani ampa enu no di bre. Then he move on to the Templeton bonds. Do you get it right? Templeton ye boni dinu Kenuforiata na down for no and na wako fa mo aba tio omambo oji 2.25 billion we ye no awa open books for competitive bidding and no ankasa sat na say attract interest otu na wankasa sa attract interest odi we be ma wa down for one mama I think around that time no more 7%. Inti sika nkwa na be into this as can we 2017 Kenuforiata sa sorry no call Eurobond wakoji $2 billion. Nti papa wenu, can you compare him to Ato Forson in ne all say Ghana nye juma enye ye. This is also part of it. Now when you move on, you look at self-discipline in this government. The government of His Excellency John or disciplining because he said he's leaving a legacy. That is what is focused on. So, what disciplining, the code of conduct have come, and then every appointee, every day they are what? Giving information or alerting you that be careful, be careful, be careful. And that is how we are moving. Ebamu saying, and Ghana for Ninyina within these 5 months, you know, say na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama bebu manu padia and yebe sa to aba ediamanu. Now the reduction in the importation of goods and also at this particular point. So and nunti na minister say the programs of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama now ye kan kukon kitinkiti men fan dia agro ye kase ekodo abro men fan dia agro ye kase ye kodia kokofu from men fan dia agro. Why? From July August this year no, especially the food staffs ye do say afi wesuso nyankopon aboano, they are coming to support the nation's agenda. Why do I say so? Otu say ene yando yan titim kukon kitinkita. You realize that our food import bill is going to go high. Now, if the import bill goes high, we use dollar to import these foodstuffs. And yes, sir. So you see that more people will be craving to get more dollars. And if the dollar is short in the system, then what is going to happen is that you need more cedis to go and chase few dollars. Now, they will say, now see the SR falling. Another strategy of this government, and it's the gold board, which was unstructured in those days. Yehu, Nanzese echi India for ni China for say, omu from Mukrum, Ewurade Nyankopon. Omu from Mukrum abedru ye krum, baby aye to gold. Omu did sikani money counting machine, and in am crashing to gold because we don't have hitherto we don't have that structured system. That structured system was not there. So now, yes. So now, yes. Intimate stress, Sami Jemfini, FIC, that's intelligence, finance intelligence committee. You know, we Chumbuafo, and Nejumano, Kojo Chumbuafo. Omunye Jumanaye Chisankrofwe, gold smugglers will meimu. So if we are able to buy a lot of gold and keep as a reserve, or do you know the ripple effect and now the multiplier effect in it? Say Edru say, one will say the cities editor gold. Now you keep on them. Into a drew time I said, no, so I drew time say Ghana jwa the $4 a munya. Now you gold nibinu. Now you to. Now but meanwhile we bought the gold with cities and yes and we are using that gold to get dollars for the traders in this country. And Nunti say Ato Forson say he is going to sustain on this journey no. A treasure say no mikra miti has a say no. Income pesa buying be say 5 serious gold mine ewo Ghana. Number 1 branch enye jumanu ye. Number 2 yempaki gold no go ho. Obroni be ye dia ye wo gold.
But honorable.
Yes.
I even have a suggestion.
Yes.
Na say yakuye ni mu no. Menim say Kwaju. Me pese either me petition president to ana say say the be Supreme I don't know. Who say Ghana mra say Agyapade bia ehye say.
Yes.
Says Kako
Yes.
Ananchembo Anafango.
Yes.
Omanfo ne dia. No mampani bia wotese no. Oyehwesofo. E mo omanfo no. A ono nso ka ho.
Yeah.
Enti eba ne saying na Kwabena ka say makwachi bibi e fe no concession. Wonti asem ne yo. Na yetwa demarcation bia ma no. Na agudie na ewo mu no otu. No no anyamfaso. Na abaya gene taxes. Agudie ye nyina ye dia. Constitution is say it must be held in trust for us. We are the case your concession. I mean, and I have to petition the president on this.
That is the fact.
So government should take over. You must work for government because government is working in trust. And then you can
You're correct.
Nyansa ewom 7
because concession only pa say any dia no. Me sika wo bi. Because the constitution say me media or say the concession. No, or this can go no butum. How?
And no na efre no colonial mentality abrofu dia gu yetrimuti sa asichere besin de sa asichere no egusu didi ya adwum. And so because we are able to stop the lithium mining was central no, it must move on to Damai and it must move on to look obroni bi obeba krom ha sa okita ubie 2 companies a yenji baako so manage baako na baako enye Ghana for there. And then the sharing of the profits is say no yeah no 60-40 because we need to know about 3-4 no no di enye ne come di no okoton na dey free ni krom say or kwa pay duane wo Ghana no onu mom na eba be profit. Those people we must look at the law again and aban Sami Jemfi and a mineral commission. Let us look at the appropriation of the profit what these companies are no mumai obi to me catch say ye first na ye my 5% onu di ba 10%. Nyansa e woni trim ni nyina ni o
wanya extra 5
onti onu no wa ya de ye mbo nsem ma no ye mbo nsem ma no
yes just as gold no mutu ni yes we dey o mu 10%.
Yes abeno
Nyansa bi anim
Oma mpanyi misra your excellency samra no de esese yen sisa no afi we so be pair onko ne krom yani nu ni ntokwa bia
yo it for we a reporter abato ye pono so meka say so wonya subscribe to channel idea bomodi ase obe subscribe na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fe share ma wo foforo so na we bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso e wo Ghana memo hanom oso betimi achere wadwen afa eye ensemo nyina ho e wo comment box no mo beti minka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.